Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be doing another set from Jilly's Nails, and these are no longer available, unfortunately. These are the Vexed and Vicious French. I love these because they're not pink and white, but they do have a pinkish tint to the nail, and I love the white part of the French. I like a very thick French tip. So, I looked on Amazon to see if I could find these, and like I said in the beginning, they're not available anymore, but I will link similar styles down below. So I don't have to take any nails off. I took my nails off on Saturday. It's now Monday, so I gave them a little breathing time, and now these are impressed, so they do come pre-glued. So I am just going to get to gluing my nails on. I'm going to choose my sizes, and we'll see how they come out. Guys, well, I did this without my super glue today. I used these as they are, the pre-glued nails. I wanted to see if it would be, you know, if I wouldn't get air bubbles, and I didn't get air bubbles by using the pre-glued nails. They look phenomenal. I really love them. You know, normally I would trim these down, but the nails themselves are a little smaller, so they don't look as long to me on my hands. And the only problem I will have is if I can't type, but we'll see how that goes. I love them. I think that they're so pretty. I don't know why Impress would have, you know, discontinued these, because these are just gorgeous. So I will look. These are the medium length. It says medium right on there. So maybe there's something very similar that I can find, and if so, I will definitely link them below. But I really think these are pretty. They are longer than I usually do, and I'm gonna give them a try. I'm gonna wear them this week and see how they go. And like I said, if I can't type with them, I will definitely have to trim them down a little bit. I kind of think that I might have to, because I might not be able to type. But I think that they're really pretty. I love them. I'm in the mood for this French. So yeah, I hope that you like how they came out. I hope that you'll let me know if you like them. So that's going to do it for this nail video this week. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back. So take care, everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.